Okay, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make Lightwood modern door in Sketchup. First of all, you have to make a base plane for door anyway, then you have to push it up and just make it group. Okay, and then you can make a basic frame of the door with a line. You can set the line around 2500 millimeter. Then you can set the width of the door around 900 millimeter, and you can set the complete line. Okay, and then you have to offset it inside around 50 millimeter, right? Then you can complete the line, and then you can just delete some unnecessary object or unnecessary plane. Then you have to push it to the front around 120 millimeter and just make it group. And then you can make a door leaf with a rectangle, and then you can position on it to the end point of the group, and then you can push it to the front around 40 millimeter, and then you have to make it group. And after that you can make a pattern. Just select this line and then press the move and press Control and press the 1100 millimeter, and then you can move it on the bottom with around 180 millimeter, right? Then you can select this both of line, you can move and just duplicate on the bottom with 10 millimeter. Okay, and then you can select the line. You can set any position of this shape, and then you can move it on the left side around 10 millimeter, and then you can duplicate the both of this line, and then you can press move and just press Control, and you can select this position anyway. Then you can delete some unnecessary line with erase tool anyway. Okay, so you can select the color to make a difference of this line. You can adjust the color with this material, and you can adjust the door leaf material with this material. Or you can select another color for some material, right? Maybe you can select this color and just select this area to make the difference. Then you can adjust the color as you want anyway. Maybe you can set on it, and then you can complete all of shape material, top material. Then you have to press move, and then you can push it to the back around 20 millimeter, and you can make it component and just create it, and then you can move it on the right side, just flip it along with the green axis, so it would be two side the face of the door anyway, and then you can to make it group, and then you can position it on this position, and you can make door handle with a simple modern door handle anyway. So you can follow this step, and you can make a rectangle in here and in here. You can push it to the front and push it to the front also. Then you can make it group also. Then you can make a path of the door handle. Maybe it's if you get a difficult to position this line, you can use this line anyway, and then you have to position with a move in this correct position, and then you can select a rectangle anyway. You can select a rectangle in this position, and then you can select this line, then just select follow me, and then you can adjust it again if you feel it too small or too large, and so you can use the tool to adjust about all of our door case, so you can make a look maybe, so you can make it group and just make it component and just create it, and then you can move and just press control, and you can position on the green axis and then flip along on the green, then you can move and then you can position on it, and then you can assign a material, something like this. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope all of you get a lot of advantage about this making Lightwood modern door, and wait for my next video. Thank you.